Hello everyone. Yesterday we have done present indefinite tense and we will do present continuous tense today. Present continuous tense is used to express an action which is ongoing or still going on. Means ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ at present ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ. As the name indicates, continuous means happening or existing without stopping. ਬਿਨਾਂ ਰੁਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ. Example is they are building a new home. ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਘਰ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ. Means at present the action is ongoing, still going on. Next, it is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. Means when we are speaking about an action, it is still going on. And the example is I am making a video. Now see, I am speaking about the video also and I am making the video also. मैं video बना रही हूँ. You are listening to me. At present you are listening to me and I am speaking about the same also. Next, it is used to express an action which is not happening exactly at the time of speaking but is happening in regular process in present time. First of all, we have discussed that it is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. Now we are talking about it is used to express an action which is not happening exactly at the time of speaking but is happening in regular process in present time. Means when we are speaking about any work, about any action, it is not happening. It is not going on, but it is going on in a regular process in present time. And the example is, he is teaching in a private school. वो एक private school ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Now if we are going to talk about during evening, ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੀਏ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜਾਉਂਦਾ, but it is a process. It is a regular process. It is happening in a regular process. Next, it is used to express a planned or arranged action happening in the near future. Next, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਇੱਕ planned ਜਾਂ arranged action. The action or the work that we have already arranged, we have planned, and that is going to happen in the near future. ਜਿਹੜਾ future 'ਚ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ. For example, they are going to America next week. ਉਹ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਕ ਅਮੈਰੀਕਾ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ. ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਯੂਜ਼ਡ ਟੂ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਅ ਪਲੈਨਡ ਔਰ ਅਰੇਂਜਡ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਪਨਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਦ ਨੀਅਰ ਫਿਊਚਰ. We are going to deal with affirmative sentences of present continuous tense first. And the examples are, she is doing her work. ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. It is raining today. ਅੱਜ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. I am reading a newspaper. ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਊਜ਼ਪੇਪਰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. They telling a lie. ਉਹ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ. ਰਾਧਾ is speaking the truth. ਰਾਧਾ ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. And the rule for the same subject. After that we have used is or am or are. Then what we have used? First form of verb plus ing. Then we have used object, or if there is any extra information in the sentence, then we can use at the end. Now what are, is or am or are here? These are helping verbs. And what is a helping verb? A helping verb is used with the main verb. Like, what is the main verb here? Do. And is used with it. In the second sentence, rain is the main verb. And in the third, read. And am is used before it. So, a helping verb is used with a main verb. It comes before the main verb in a sentence. We may also say that helping verb help the main verb to describe the action. I am going to tell you about the examples of helping verb now. Examples of helping verb are is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being, do, does, did, have, has, had, may, can, must, might, shall, will, should, would, and could. Now we have discussed what is a helping verb. I have also told you about the examples of helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being, do, does, did, has, have, had, may, can, must, might, shall, will, should, would, and could. Now where to use is, am, or are? If our subject is singular, then we will simply use is, and if our subject is plural, we will use are, and if our subject is I, then we will use am. After this, negative sentences of present continuous tense. She is not doing her work. वो अपना काम नहीं कर रही है. It is not raining today. आज बारिश नहीं हो रही. I am not reading a newspaper. मैं एक न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ रहा. They are not telling a lie. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. राधा is not speaking the truth. राधा सच नहीं बोल रही है. It is very simple to make negative sentences in present continuous tense. What you have to do? You are to simply use not after the helping verb. I have told you what is helping verb. What you have to do? Just use not after is, am, or are. So rule for the same: subject plus is or am or are plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object or plus extra information in the sentence. Interrogative sentences of present continuous tense and examples are: is she doing her work? कि वो अपना काम कर रही है. Is it raining today? Am I reading a newspaper? Are they telling a lie? Is Radha speaking the truth? कि राधा सच बोल रही है. What you have to do in interrogative sentences? It is again very simple. Just change the position of helping verbs. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ helping verb ਦੀ position change ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ sentence as it is ਰਹੇਗਾ. Just put the helping verbs like is, am, are in the beginning of the sentence. Affirmative sentence ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ she is doing her work. ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. Now what we have done, we have just changed the position of helping verb. We have written is she doing her work, ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਅਫਰਮੇਟਿਵ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ 'ਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਟੂਡੇ, ਔਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਇਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਆਂਦਾ. ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਟੂਡੇ? ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਿੰਪਲ. ਜਸਟ ਚੇਂਜ ਦ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਵਰਬ. ਸਿਰਫ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਵਰਬ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਆਓ ਇਨ ਦ ਵੈਰੀ ਬਿਗਨਿੰਗ ਆਫ ਦ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਐਂਡ rest of the sentence will remain the same. And don't forget to put sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. Rule for the same: is or am or are plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus extra information plus sign of interrogation. After this, sentences regarding WH family. WH family consists words starting from W and H. Means WH family की है जिहदी starting किहड़े words तो होएगी, W and H तो. Examples are what, where, why, who, whom, whose, when, how, etc. And the examples are what are you saying? तुसी की कह रहे हो? Where is she going? ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ? When are you coming to our home? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਕਦੋਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? Why is she weeping? ਉਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਰੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ? Rules for the same. It is very simple to use WH family in interrogative sentences. They are used before the simple interrogative sentences. Means ਜਿਹੜੇ simple interrogative sentences ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ words use ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ. Like what, where, when, why, how, etc. ਜਿਹੜੇ simple interrogative sentences ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ WH ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, that was all about present continuous tense, and we will do present perfect tense tomorrow. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you all.